All right, good evening, everyone. This is Daniel from Tradecraft 360, and I thought to detail just one more trade for this evening. This is going to be Dpst, and this was in relation to today's trading action. So some sector rotation, tech caught a bid, and a number of interest rate sensitive sectors sold off as a result of the decline in the long bond pretty much across the yield curve, and that obviously is going to affect interest rate sensitive sectors, consumer staples, real estate, financials, utilities to a lesser extent. And in this case, I elected to go with Dpst. That's the triple leverage long of the regional banks. And so the reason I chose this is, again, because of sector rotation being the impetus for the trade. And also, this is kind of something that I would actually like to take possession of. So I didn't go direct entry on this one, only because there's a lot of volatility, uncertainty. I think I would prefer a better entry point on Dpst or any underlying at this point. I'm hoping for one of those sharp sell-offs that causes the VIX to elevate, maybe mid 20s, ideally, and that would be my entry point for a lot of different positions that I have my eye on. Dpst is just one of them. So we know that the banking sector does statistically well during the fourth quarter. I am bullish on regional banks. I do think that yields are going to trend down, although in the near term, hard to say, right? So it seems that the opposite's happening. I suspect that's somewhat temporary as far as the increase in yields, the sell-off in TLT, IEF, across the yield curve. So again, I don't speculate too much on prices. I'm not a prognosticator. I really dislike it when other traders and analysts mention what they think their outlook is going to be. It's useless, absolutely useless, and no accountability. So they could be wrong, and everyone seems to collectively forget. So I take accountability for every single trade that I put on. I'm willing to show every single trade, and rarely do I lose at this point in my trading career. So I look forward to demonstrating that aspect of it. And this is just yet another example of a trade that I think is a good risk reward. I sold the 83 put October 4th. So that would be end of week expiration, 90 cents a contract, 10 contracts. That's 900 US. And we'll see how that goes. If it does get to that strike, then likely I'll marry a put to the position, go long, start selling covered calls on the weeklies, and go from there. So we'll see how the trade evolves. And thank you for joining me this evening, and we'll see how it goes. All right, everyone, take care and have a great week. Bye-bye.